Years ago, I faced a crossroads that many of us encountered. On one side, the pursuit of my dreams, ambition, wealth, success. On the other, the fear that achieving all this might come at the expense of my soul. But here's what I've discovered through years of experience and study. You don't have to choose between your dreams and your essence. You can indeed have it all. My journey led me to the realization that true prosperity doesn't have to erode our core values. Instead, it can enhance them. It's about living intentionally, aligning your actions with your deepest values. I once thought that to achieve greatness, I needed to sacrifice my well-being. Long hours, constant stress, and a compromised sense of self seemed inevitable. But I was wrong. Through years of study and reflection, I learned that the key to balancing ambition with integrity is intentional living. It's not about working harder, but aligning your pursuits with your values. This harmony creates a path where your success supports your soul. The Bible says, "You can prosper even as your soul prospers." This isn't just a hopeful phrase, it's a profound truth. By intentionally integrating your goals with your core values, you don't have to choose between success and soul satisfaction. So, if you're at that crossroads, remember this. You don't need to sacrifice who you are to achieve what you want. Embrace intentional living. Align your ambitions with your values, and you'll find that prosperity and soul satisfaction can coexist. I've lived it, studied it, and seen it transform lives. Your journey towards having it all begins with intentional choices. Subscribe to explore more insights on how to achieve prosperity without compromising your essence.